So this question is an electrophilic substitution. What you've got this time is you're looking to nitrate your benzene ring. You can see from the overall equation here, I've got benzoic acid reacting with nitric acid in the presence of sulfuric acid catalyst, producing 3-nitrobenzene. So the carboxylic acid group has directed the nitro group onto carbon 3. So this must be a 3,5 directing group, or 3 directing group. And water is our leftover product. So here's my overall reaction. We've been asked to outline the mechanism for the nitration of benzoic acid and show how sulfuric acid behaves with the catalyst. So we have to show 3 steps. We have to show the formation of the NO2 plus ion. We have to show the actual mechanism with the curly arrow, and then show how this sulfuric acid will be reformed at the end, and hence why it acts as a catalyst. Now in the question you can see we're forming 3-nitrobenzene from benzoic acid, so your mechanism has got to be drawn showing benzoic acid as a starting reactant, and putting the nitro group onto carbon 3. So think about the orientation of all the different parts of your mechanism to make sure it's all accurate. So first of all, formation of the nitro NO2 plus ion. We have concentrated nitric acid reacting with concentrated sulfuric acid, producing the NO2 plus nitronium ion, plus HSO4 minus, plus H2O. So your byproduct here is formed in the first equation. This is different to the halogenation mechanism where the byproduct is made at the end. Here, your water is being made at the top. All right, your nitric acid and sulfuric acid react together, producing your NO2. So imagine we're taking NO2 away from this, leaving us with 1H and 1O. Okay. The sulfuric acid then will drop one of its hydrogens, forming the water, leaving us with this HSO4 minus ion here. And this then is what's going to be used at the end to reform your sulfuric acid as the catalyst. Okay, so the mechanism, showing all the curly arrows. We're starting with benzoic acid, so make sure you show it as benzoic acid at the start, not just a benzene ring. Reacting with our NO2 plus, our curly arrow will come out of the benzene ring system and onto the NO2. Just move that up a little bit. Producing an intermediate. Still got our carboxyl group up there. Now we're looking to put the NO2 on carbon 3 based on the original diagram and being told what we're making. So my substitution is going to take place at carbon 3. So I'm going to have my NO2 fighting with the hydrogen for position on the benzene ring. So my U shape is going to be facing towards this this battle here. So draw your U shape covering all 5 of the other carbons. Positive charge in the middle there. Make sure it's open, facing where the substitution is happening. And then your curly arrow will come back in from the bonds of the hydrogen back into the system. Final products. You've now got your nitrated ring. Make sure you're consistently showing it on the same carbon that's going through. And obviously the hydrogen ion that's been replaced, has been substituted. Make sure you don't forget to show that as well. Your final reaction then is going to be the hydrogen ion reacting with the sulfuric acid, the HSO4 minus ion to reproduce your sulfuric acid, because remember that's the catalyst. Okay, there we go. 5-mark mechanism, 1 mark here for the first equation, a 2nd mark for the curly arrow here, provided you've drawn the benzene ring correctly. 3rd mark for the intermediate and the curly arrow come back in. 4th mark for the products. 5th mark will be for your final equation there.